Hey guys, this is Rhonda with RK3 Designs, and I'm going to show you a fun project using our new Speedcure Epoxy over just a very simple tumbler. I started out by priming my cup with white spray paint, and then I came in with a really cool color by Just Resin called Midnight Blue. I spread that around with my hand, not worrying about getting 100% coverage. After I was happy with that, I came in with another color from Just Resin called Caribbean Blue. It was a lighter, more translucent color that really made a pop on the cup. I just drizzled, and again I used my hand to lightly meld, being very mindful of how much color I put on the cup. As the cup starts to spin, you'll notice the colors lightly melding. Again, I don't want to put too much product because it'll get too blurry. I came in now with my Just Resin Titanium White and just laid down a few lines, and as it turns, you'll see how it starts to meld. Lightly torch just to make your resin a little more fluid, but again, be very careful. You don't want it to get too hot and then get too runny. Using my hands, I again lightly meld the colors. And because this is Speedcure, the colors are going to stay a little more distinct than if I were using a longer cure epoxy. This is my favorite part, watching just how naturally all of those colors start to meld. It's super important that you make sure that your cup is level so that you don't accumulate too much product on the end of your cup. Now you can see that I'm hitting the cup with a little bit of isopropyl alcohol. Very little, and it does create such a cool effect. Be patient, let the tumbling motion really bring out your design. With the Speedcure, your cup is ready to move to the next step in about 4 hours. We'll let this cure, then I'm going to come back and put one of our vinyl logo stickers. Isn't that gorgeous? I love how the tumbling really brings out such a cool design. So what we did is we cut our logo out of a vinyl sticker with our Cricut. I transferred it onto the cup. Now I did sand the cup prior to putting on my logo. Once it's transferred, I'll do a flood coat with our Speedcure as well. All right, so once the logo is applied, I'm gonna come back over the top with some clear Speedcure, and I've added just a little bit of our fine glitter. If you warm your cup just a bit before you start pouring, that epoxy will really slide very easily. Again, you don't need too much epoxy. I think I used 25 mils for each layer of this cup. After everything's spread out evenly, again, I'll let the tumbler run about 4 hours, and this cup will be ready to go. All right, guys, so what do you think? I absolutely love these little cups. You can literally do this project in one day. I was going to show you a full flyover of the finished cup, but we actually donated it to a local fundraiser. Let me know, would you like to see some more projects like this? You can find everything that I used in this little cup on our website, RK3designs.com, where we do free shipping on all orders over $100 and same-day shipping if you order before noon Central Time. I found this 5-head turner on Etsy a few years ago, but you guys can use just about any turner that you want. So let me know, would you like to see some more fun projects like this? And remember guys, don't be scared, move forward and be creative.